spring garden walkthrough. I've got a few seeds sprouted over here. I just finished transplanting and moving around some of these strawberries that I had. And this whole area was all dug from the dog, and moved them around as I needed. Oh, looks like Lucy's been in there. Organized these two, and then I transplanted some of these raspberries over here. Those came from over here. These raspberry bushes, there's two of them I got last year. I'm pretty excited about harvesting them. Can't wait to get some berries. You can see right down here, we're starting to get some buds, and I'm hoping we get some nice berries. So all the little suckers just grow off the bottom, and they start popping up all over the place. So I just dig them out and transplant them. What do we got here? That's a nice one. That's a long one. I think I'll just leave that one here, let it grow in. I'll just do this. Boink, put some dirt over it. And it'll just grow roots. That's just how they grow. Alright. And then over here I've got my grapes. It's all trimmed back and ready to grow. Oh, this is getting ready to flower. It's the wisteria. Then over here, my ugly pond, which needs some work. We've got the blueberry bush right here. And then we've got this artichoke plant, which survived the winter. I was pretty stoked. We got quite a few artichokes off of it. And so I'm just starting to turn soil over here. Trying to get it ready for the year. Took this old carpet, and if I lay it out, I can just let the weeds die off. And I'm trying a new method of no-till, knowing what I know now about soil, not rototilling it, and trying to keep the mycelium and the microbiome intact. So instead you just dig out one small, patch, and then you dig another one and fill that one in. You just keep flipping them. You actually are supposed to do it in more of an organized grid and try to keep the whole piece of soil intact. But anyway, we'll see. I'll do my best with that one. And then I've got my compost bin over there, and I got to lay some compost out. So it should be a good year, and I'll be updating with all my garden awesomeness as the year goes on.